Day 9, Suma and her baby. They're getting along pretty good today. I didn't have to take out as many quails today. There's a lot more. And I gave them a bucket of dirt in here and they were having fun. It's kind of a mess, but they were enjoying it. Dust bathing and stuff. Big guys. The big boys. All my baby boys are crowing now. Oh my gosh. I used to think crows were quiet until I had a whole bunch of boys. Look at that baby. 9 days old. It's getting so big, all kinds of feathers. Hey baby. Hey baby. Oh boy. So this goes on all day. Them crowing like that. They're a lot louder than you. Can't even talk. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, well, day 9, Suma and her baby. There it is. See you tomorrow. Maybe one more close-up. Oh, good. Suma gets angry when I get close. It's hot today. It is so hot. I'm about ready to put water bottles in there. It's already 100. Okay. That's what I'm gonna do. See you tomorrow.